Hey guys, welcome to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you what I got in my Boxycharm for this month of May. I'm going to be showing you some swatches, give you the prices, all that good stuff. So if you would like to see what we got in this month's box, then go ahead and keep watching. Alright, so this month's theme is Make Waves. And this is the card that it comes with when you open the box. If you didn't know, Boxycharm is, I think it comes out to $21.99 a month, and you get 4 to 5 full-size products, and the products are usually always over $100 worth of value, so it's definitely a good deal. If you don't have it, I would definitely recommend. And for the first product, the Glam Glow Gentle Bubble Cleanser. Alright, so this here is a cleanser. It says it's a daily conditioning gel cleanser. I did try this last night to remove my makeup and just wash my makeup for the night, and I really liked it. I've always wanted to try this brand, but it's so expensive, so I never really did. So I'm really excited to keep trying this out. It looks amazing, so this is already a win for me. Next we have the Alamar Brush Trio. And mine is in the shade Medium Tan. They have 3 different blush palettes, one for light, medium, and dark skin tones. This retails for $22. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply some blush. I think I'm gonna use this one here in the middle. This is Isla, I believe. I think I'm gonna use this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and go into this middle shade here. Okay, so it has some nice pigment, not too much, which I really like that. With blushes, I don't like when they're overly pigmented because it makes it really hard to blend it out if you put too much. I really like this color, it's very pretty. It blends really nicely. It says it has a buttery texture, and it definitely does. So it has all 3 of them swatched. Alright, so this is a win for me. I like this. I will definitely see myself using this. The packaging is really cute, and I would have never spent $22 on this, so it's nice that we get something in the box that you would have never bought but you end up liking. Okay, next, this one I'm so excited about. I can't even wait to swatch it for you. Okay, so next is the Ciate London Eye Luster Cream Eyeshadow. It'll help you create long-lasting, shimmering eyeshadow looks. The metallic, glittering liquid shadow can be swiped on for full coverage, blended out for sheer sparkle, or applied over any eyeshadow as a topper. This as well retails for $22. And I know it came in 2 shades. I got the gold one. I accidentally threw away the package, and it doesn't say anywhere on here which one I got. But if I'll look it up, and if I find it, I'll write it on here so you know. But this, oh my god. I saw this, and I was like, oh, pink, pretty, it's a pretty color. No. Oh my lord. When it shifts this way, it's like a pink glittery shade, and then you pull it forward and it's gold. It's like pure gold and then pink. I cannot wait to put this on my eyes. And it was crazy because last night I swatched it for my boyfriend Michael because I was like amazed at how this looked. And I went to go wash off, and I was like, oh, it's gonna take forever to scrub off. No, it came instantly off with water, and it is so full coverage, and you can blend it out, and it just makes it beautiful. For my eye look today, I'm just gonna take these 2 transition shades here in the Jaclyn Hill palette to start my eyes, and then I'm going to put the glitter on top of it. Alright, so now we are going to apply this. I'm going to go ahead and zoom you in. I'm going to do one eye at a time. I'm just going to use this brush here and just kind of tap it in. This would be really good if you want to do a quick look and make it look like you really tried, because it's so effortlessly beautiful and you hardly have to do anything at all. Okay, so I went ahead and put just mascara and some highlight on off camera. So next we have a lip liner, and this is from the brand Vintage. It says it delivers a natural looking definition with minimal effort and maximum precision. The velvety smooth formula glides onto lips without tugging or pulling. This retails for $21. $21 for a lip liner? That's insane. So this one I got in the shade Mocha. I'm gonna apply this. It does feel very smooth, not tugging. Okay, so next is a Dose of Colors liquid matte lipstick. And this retails for $18. I've heard really good things about this formula. I'm excited to try this color. It's really, really pretty. This one is in the shade Coral Crush. Lots of coverage, really pretty color. It's super bright. So let's try this on. Oh wow. Okay, so this has a very thin texture. It's very smooth. It was so easy to apply. I definitely wouldn't have used this lip liner because I didn't even think that I was gonna put that on top of it, because it does make it look more brown on the outside. So I would have used something more pink, but it still works. It's very high coverage. It's really, really pretty color. Okay, so that is all the products. Overall, I absolutely love every single item in this month's box. All right, so this month the total comes out to $111, and you only pay 21 bucks for this. It's like a little surprise in the mail every month, and yeah, you get great stuff. I love it. All right, you guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys did enjoy. Please give this a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.